Good evening, all.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. So we are meeting after a long time. If you want, we can say like that, right?
Yes, ma'am. You're right.
Okay. So, have you ever heard about the word graphics?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, graphics. What is
Ma'am,
it?
in the movies, we usually say the in the extra.
It is according to
Ma'am, like the editing is like a graphics and all. It's all.
ma'am, a graphic means if it is 4D according to that there will be the 4K. If it is 4K according to that the graphics will be more. If it is less then the graphics will be low.
Which means that you have heard this word and you are somewhat, you know somewhat about this word graphics, isn't it?
Yes, we say.
What we have learned in the previous chapter, we have just started a programming language. What is the name of that language?
Ma'am, Python.
So today we are going to learn something new. Okay, so have you ever heard, if you want to draw any image or if you want to draw image on the screen or shape on the screen, for that we will use graphics, isn't it? For drawing purpose we use the concept graphics. So in Python, Python comes with large number of resources that support graphical operation. So today we are going to learn about turtles graphics. Okay, so this is the name of our chapter 6, drawing with turtles in Python. So today we are going to discuss about turtle graphics. So using this turtle graphics, we can draw many shapes, images on the screen, and it is very fun to work with this turtle graphics. So this is the name of our chapter. Please all of you note down the name of this chapter. Okay. Do you know why this turtle graphics has been developed? For what purpose? For what purpose? Think.
Ma'am, I think for drawing.
Programs.
Do you know it was developed for kids? Can you just tell me the reason?
What, ma'am?
It was developed for kids.
Ma'am, then something to do something like.
The main reason is that to attract them towards the coding. That is the main reason why the turtle graphics has been developed. Okay, when we start this, you will also love this. So what is the name of our chapter? Drawing with
Turtle.
in Python.
Okay, drawing with turtle in Python. So we are moving to the next slide. So what is turtle in Python? You all are familiar with the reptile, isn't it? That moves around very slowly. So how we can relate this concept with this Python's turtle? Are we talking about a reptile in this chapter? Are we going
No, ma'am.
No. So why? Do you know why the name is like this?
Maybe it is very slow.
Because the name tells the drawing process. Okay, it is just like, imagine a turtle. You just imagine it as a turtle. Okay, crawling on a piece of paper with the pen tied on its tail. Okay, crawling on a paper with pen tied on its tail, and you can give the command to the turtle to move here and there. If we say forward, it will move forward. If we say go backward, it will move backward. According to our command only, it will move. Okay, so in Python, do you know what is turtle? It is a small black arrow that moves slowly around the screen according to our command. So all of you please note down this point. In Python, what is the, here you can see the turtle. Okay, in Python, a turtle is a small black arrow that moves slowly around the screen. It moves according to the command that we give. Okay, so you can give command to the turtle to go forward, backward, and it moves according to our instruction. So here you can see the image of the turtle. So in Python, what is a turtle? It is a small black arrow that moves slowly around the screen. Is that clear?
Can you write it down?
Yes, you can write. So in Python, a turtle is a small black arrow that moves slowly around the screen. So now we are going to do the practical. So the concept regarding the turtle will be clear to you. Is it over?
No, ma'am.
Yeah. So it is a toolkit which provides
Yes, ma'am.
simple and enjoyable way to draw pictures on windows or screens. So what is turtle in Python? The small arrow, okay, black arrow. So now we are going to learn which are the different commands. Okay, right. So now we are going to learn which are the different commands through which we can make the move, or we can change the position of the turtle. So you have to only write the second sentence. So we are moving to the next slide. You just take the screenshot. Yeah. Yes. So the first command that we have to write is import turtle. Okay. What is the meaning of this? This allows them to use all the commands from the Turtle Graphics Standard Library. Actually, there is a library. If you want to use a particular command from that library, we have to write this. So which is the first command? Import turtle. Have you ever heard the word import before? Import and export. You're familiar with this word. So what is the meaning of import? To bring something.
Ma'am,
isn't
import
it?
from
bring-
something like get.
To bring something. So here it means that if you want a file from a different program into our program which we are currently working on, we will use this import. So the first thing that we have to write is import turtle. If you want something commands from the turtle library, we have to import that. Okay, so this is the first code you just write down. So first code that we have to write in the program is import turtle. It is case sensitive, so you have to be careful about small letter and capital letter. It should be small letter. Okay, I should be small, T should be small. Is that clear? Only have to write the first
Yes,
sentence. No need to write the explanation of this. So the first thing you have to write is import turtle. Next, and now we are going to learn how to write the code. First, you have to take Python shell. You all are familiar how to take, isn't it? When you take that, first thing you have to write is import turtle. Here you can see this. Okay, the first code that you have to write is import turtle in shell, in Python shell. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, second thing that we are going to learn is after writing that we have to create a canvas. You are familiar with this word, isn't it? Artists use this concept canvas. What is the use of this canvas?
Artist
to draw pictures.
Yes. So we are also going to, yes, we are also going to draw a picture, isn't it? We are also going to draw a picture. For that, we also want a canvas. So to create a canvas, we have to type this code. Please note down this. T is equal to turtle.pen. Please note that P should be capital. So to create a canvas, we used to call a function. What is the function's name? It is pen. Okay, it is pen. So the first code that we have to write is import turtle, and this is the second code because without the canvas we are not able to draw any figure. So
Ma'am, we have to just type.
Yeah, I will tell you. I will guide you. Wait. So this is the second code. So T is an object. Okay. So to create a canvas, we have to call a function. What is the name of that function?
Ma'am, pen.
Pen. Okay. Now who is going to share the screen?
Ma'am, I can.
Ma'am,
Okay.
can assume.
Okay, one after another. Okay, first I'll just share the screen. Others, those who are having computer, please do. Okay, along
Yes,
with
ma'am.
Aldous.
And we can't use this in iPad.
That I have to check, my dear. It will be different. Even though we are there is app, it will be different for phone and iPad. We have to do that. I have to check that. Okay, this is for computer.
Ma'am, can you
yes, see, this is the shell. So which is the first code? Which is the first code?
Ma'am, import turtle.
Now type import turtle. import turtle turtle. Which is the second code?
Pen.
Which is the second code?
Pen.
The next line. Aldous, erase. In the next line, press enter key. Now type T is equal to, what is the next code? T is equal to?
T is equal to
Turtle dot
pen.
pen. P should be capital. P-E-N. P-E-N. No. E-N. No need of space there. You have put a space between N and bracket. No need of space there. Go back.
No, ma'am, I didn't.
Okay. Type. Okay. Now press enter key. Okay. One, share that next screen that you have. I think you got one canvas, isn't it? Show me that.
Yes,
Share-
ma'am.
Yeah. Share that screen.
Ma'am, Python turtle graphics.
Show us that.
Ma'am, I think it's loading.
You just stop sharing the screen and share that screen once again.
Okay, ma'am.
Now you all can see new output of this code.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is that? Not this one, the other one.
Ma'am, but
See,
ah,
this is the canvas. Here you can see the turtle. Okay,
okay, ma'am.
is that clear? Now next, who is the one who is going to share the screen? Try to share the both screen together. Okay, now who is going to share the screen? Raise your hand. I'll guide you. Those who are having computer.
Ma'am, I can assume.
Yes, share the screen. Okay, Ashwin, yeah. Share the screen.
Ma'am, I have written the code. Ma'am, after this, what we want to do?
Erase. There is a mistake. See, after pen, P should be capital.
Ma'am, and also there should be also the space after is equal to.
No need of space. It's okay. Yes, put the bracket.
Yes, ma'am.
Not this one, the other one. The opening one, after that you have to close. Press enter. Now see you got,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, share that screen.
Ma'am, can you see?
No, we are not able to see. You just share the screen once again.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it is showing not responding.
What happened?
Ma'am, I got.
Okay, you got Nia, share the screen. The output, you just share the screen of output. Okay, very good. Thank you, Nia, for sharing the screen. You can stop sharing the screen. Okay, so far we have seen the two codes that we have to write, isn't it? For creating a canvas, we use or we call a function that is pen. Next, so after typing like this, you will get the output. This is the output. Okay, next we are going to learn how to move a turtle. So there are different ways through which we can move a turtle. So there are 4 directions that a turtle can move in. Please note down: forward, backward, left, and right. Okay, there are 4 directions that a turtle can move in. So first one is forward, second one is backward, then left and right. So can you just tell me what will be the use of this forward function? A forward direction?
Ma'am, going up.
Going up or or any other answer? Forward. So what is the meaning of that? Forward. So first,
Forward means moving front.
yes. So let's learn about that. So first one is forward. So it it instructs the turtle to move forward. Okay, so this is the method, or this is the command that we have to type. So here you can see something has been written inside this bracket. So here 50 tells the distance the turtle has to cover. Okay, and the distance has been specified in the terms of pixel. You all are familiar with this word pixel, isn't it? What is pixel?
I mean, this like PowerPoint.
Ma'am, pixel means the square in the photos and all, like.
Not only photos in the screen, you can see the pixel. Boys, you are familiar with this term. It is a picture element, that small dots. Okay, the small dots or square that make up an image on a computer screen. See, you have not gone through, you have not seen, or you have not heard about the pixel before.
Ma'am, there is a game called Pixel.
What? The display thing. See, okay. Have you seen a black dot or black line in your TV, computer, or any laptops?
Ma'am, what can I say again?
Okay. Have you ever seen a black dot or black color in your phone?
Yes,
TV?
ma'am, in my tablet.
What is that? See, that is a picture element, which means that because of this picture only, we are able to see images on the computer, laptops, and all. Okay, it is the tiny small dots that we can see on the image. If you zoom a picture, you can see that it has been blurred. Because of this pixel only, we are able to see the image properly. So, which means that here you can see this, wait. This one.
Yes, ma'am, in my TV, like when we.
Every TV is having a pixel. Okay, the first thing that today you have to do is that Google what is pixel. In phone also there are many pixels. Because of this only we are able to see this image. Okay, the light is coming because from this pixel only.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am,
so
when
what
we
is
move to the TV closer, we can see.
yes, we can see that. So a pixel is a single point on the screen. Okay, there are many pixels in a particular screen. Okay, everything we see on our computer monitor is made up of pixel, which are a tiny square dots. Here you can see the image of the pixel. Okay, from this pixel only we are able to see the image. The light is coming.
Yes, ma'am, I have noticed. But I don't know whether it was pixel. I don't know whether it was called pixel.
It is pixel. Okay, it is pixel.
Okay, ma'am.
Because if any damage occur in the pixel, the display is gone. That is the main reason.
Yes, ma'am. Once my display has gone, ma'am.
Because your pixel,
Ma'am, my tablet.
because of that pixel got damaged. That is why.
Yes, ma'am,
Okay. Okay, back to the topic. So, if you write this command, what will happen? Our turtle will move forward. What is the distance the turtle is going to cover? 50 pixels. Okay, the distance has been distance has been expressed in terms of
50.
pixel. In terms
I
of
mean pixel.
Okay, so
Yes, ma'am, I did the coding. Now the line, arrow, now it became like this.
it will be like this, isn't it?
Yes.
So who is going to share the screen?
Ma'am, can I?
Now
Yes.
my Python has.
Yes. Share the screen. Who told that? Can I?
Ma'am,
Anna, share the screen. Yes, very good. Good effort. Share the screen. So our turtle is in the middle. Now that particular turtle is going to move forward. Very good. See here you can see the difference. Anna, can you just repeat
Ma'am,
the
can
code
I
once
say how
again?
to move it forward?
Okay. Can you just type the code once again, Anna? Yeah. Share the screen. Take shell and share the screen. Others, please note down this. Take shell. Yes. See, Anna has written 50. Okay, for new shell, Anna, go to shells option. At the top, you can see shell. Top. Go to top. Shell. Yes, click that. And restart shell. Go with restart shell. Second one, yes. Now, type from the starting. It will come.
Ma'am, in my computer there is no like file edition and all.
Okay, if you want, you can also do an editor also. What happened? What is it showing?
Ma'am, I got, ma'am. I did 2 times T
Anna,
forward.
try it once again. Take another shell. Take the shell once again. Close this and take the new one. Yes, type ideally.
Ma'am, in my Python there is no like file and editor in the.
Which version you have downloaded? I have
Ma'am,
to check.
3.10.0 itself.
Okay, wait.
Yes, ma'am. For my also, it's black screen.
Okay, let me check.
Yes, ma'am. It is black. Can I say orange?
Wait. Let Anna type first. Yes, type. Anna, type import. And
After
that type.
typing, we have to enter, right?
Yes, we have to type, enter that. We have to present a key. Import turtle. Present a key after that. Then t is equal to turtle dot
Pen.
pen. Turtle dot pen. P should be capital. P should be capital. En. Okay. Put the bracket. No, Anna. We will not be able to edit that. Type the code once again because this is shell. You are not able to edit. In the next line, type t is equal to, type the same code.
Yes, ma'am. Now mine.
T is equal to turtle dot pen. P should be capital. Okay. Put the bracket. Opening and closing bracket. Now press enter key. You'll get a canvas now. Yes, see. Show that canvas. Yes, see. Okay. Now we want to move it forward. So for that, Anna, take the screen once again. Take the shell once again. Yes. For that, we have to type t dot forward FOR WARD. Okay, inside that you have to specify the distance. If you just type 150. 150, yes. Put the bracket first. Type 150, see? Yes. Okay, now enter, press enter key. See, what change did you observe? What change did you observe, Ananda Krishnan? What change? Yes.
Ma'am, for me.
Yeah, Ananda Krishnan. Yes, what is the change?
Ma'am, for me there's a long line and like an arrow key.
Excellent, which means that the turtle has been moved forward, isn't it? What is the distance the turtle has covered right now?
50 pixels.
50 or 150?
150.
No, ma'am, I typed 50, so
Okay,
for me it's
for
50.
you, okay. For you it is 50. For her, for Anna it is
150.
100.
So, Mama, I have a doubt.
Yes.
In the bracket, we can type our wish.
Yes, you can type your own distance. Would you like to try that? Okay, Anna, take the screen once again.
Ma'am, I tried.
You tried.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and now if you type, see, if you are going to type the same command once again, it will move from that place, which means that I will show you. Anna, please type t dot forward of 200. Type 200. You can specify the number that you want. Yes. Okay, press enter. See the distance. My God, it is. I think it is. Yes.
Ma'am, I typed the 9-digit number.
Oh my God. Then what is the output? Then what is the output? Aldous? Thank you, Anna, for sharing the screen.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, after t is equal to turtle.pen, what we want to do? The
Then
bracket.
we have to direct the turtle. If we want to move forward, we will type t dot forward. Inside that bracket, we have to specify the distance according to our wish. Okay, now we are going to learn the other one, other direction. Ready for that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So far we have learned about this. Next, left. Can you just tell me what is the use of this left? Can you just tell me what is the use of this left direction? Yes.
Ma'am, it will turn left.
The difference is that here this 90 means the degree. Okay. So if you want to tell the turtle to turn left with 90 degree, we have to write like this. You all are familiar with different degrees. It is from 0 to 360, isn't it?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
you can specify the degree here. But in the case of forward, it was inside the bracket, we have to specify the distance. Okay. But in the case of left, we have to specify the degree that we want that turtle to move. To change the direction, we have to use If you, okay, I will show you how we can.
Ma'am,
cheat.
so for left and right, it's not moving, it's turning, right?
Yes, it's a turning. For that, we will use degree.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So if I want my turtle to move to a specific degree, I can either use left or right. So now we are learning about left. So let's have a look how to use this method or how to use this command. So this is the command using which we can move the turtle. We can turn the turtle. Okay. So who is going to share the screen?
Ma'am,
Yes, Ananda, do you want to share the screen? Would you like to share the screen?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, share the screen. Now, what is the direction of the turtle? It has been headed towards which direction?
Ma'am, towards our right.
Yes, towards right, or we can say that towards east, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ananda, share the screen. Okay, now press enter key. You just type T dot forward. T dot forward. You just specify a distance that you want. Okay, press enter. Okay, show us the other screen. Okay, see, now if I want to turn this turtle, okay, so, okay, now type T dot left. T dot left. Specify an angle or degree. You just type 90, try to type 90. Okay, if you want, you can type any other degree, okay? No problem. Okay, 60. Now press enter. Now see the show us the output. What change did you observe? That particular turtle has been tilted towards which degree?
260 degree.
Okay. Again, if we type T dot forward, what will
Ma'am,
happen?
I put 1000 degree. Ma'am.
1000
Ma'am, it
degree?
rotate.
It will go the
Okay, wait. And now, Ananda, please type T dot forward. T dot forward. You just type any distance that you want. Okay. Press enter. Show us the output. What happened? What happened? What happened?
ma'am, the distance, that means where the turtle will be moving will be changed
Okay.
to
so
the
there is-
degree.
Okay. Now your means the concept regarding forward and left is okay for you, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'm going to give you one task right now. Anda, wait, you can stop sharing the screen. So you all have to mention the ideas. Okay, so you have to give the idea. One is going to do that. So if I want the diagram like this, tell me the code. So who is going to share the screen? This is a square, okay? To draw the square,
Ma'am,
what
I
do
can.
happen? Who is going to share the screen? The others have to guide him. Okay. I want.
Ma'am, I
the
can
one.
assume share screen.
Ashwin, Ayan. Okay, Ayan. Everyone has to get the chance, right? Wait. Okay, others, please guide him. Okay.
Yes.
Oops, it's time. Anyway, we will draw it, and after that, we will wind up.
Ma'am,
So,
I put
others- Wait. So first, girls, speed up, please. Girls, what is the first code? Only girls.
First code, first
Import
import turtle.
Okay, type fast. Ayan Mohammed, type fast. Import turtle. Okay, now boys, next line. What is the next line?
T is equal to turtle dot pen, 2 bracket.
Okay, T is equal to type. T is equal to
T is equal
turtle.
to
T is equal to turtle dot capital
What is
P
the spelling of turtle?
capital
There is a
P,
spelling
sir.
mistake. There is a spelling
R
It is not L. Instead of that, it is R.
mistake.
TLE
Dot
capital P E N
dot capital P
pen
bracket.
then two brackets
Plus 9 and 6.
Two brackets,
Two bra-
brackets.
only brackets.
You can.
Okay, now girls, what is the next code? We are going to start our coding. We are going to give the direction. So turtle is here. Now we have to move forward. So girls, what is the code for that?
T dot forward.
Girls, only girls. Yes, T dot forward. What is the direction do you want? Which direction do you want? Give me the number. 50. We will go with 50. Okay. Oh, 80. Okay, 80. Type 80. Okay, boys. Next. First, Ayan, first you show us the output. After that, we will move. Okay, boys, now we have to go up. For that, we have to turn the turn.
T left 90.
Okay, T dot, type T dot left, L-E-F-T, left. Okay, left of 90. Type 90, yes. Now show us the output. Girls, what is the next code after seeing the output? Tell me. Yes.
Ma'am, T dot forward 80.
Okay, very good. Type Ayan, type T dot forward 80. T dot forward 80. Okay, press enter key, show us the output. Okay, now boys, what is the next code?
T dot left 0.
It is 0. Is it 0?
T dot left.
We have to turn to which-
180.
No, is it 180?
T dot left 90.
90. Very good, very good. 90, type 90 there. Okay, press enter key, show us the output right now. Very good. Now we have to, girls, what is the next code?
Ma'am, T dot forward 80.
Very good. T dot forward 80. T dot forward 80. Okay, press enter key. Now show us the output. Now boys, we have to go down.
T dot left 9.
Very good. T dot left. T dot 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 dot. T dot left of 90. Yes. T dot. C T dot. Others, please note down this code. T dot dot. T dot. T dot. Type. Dot is not working. Oh my God. T dot. Try. Dot is not working. Oh, what to do? So, others, please tell me if you have to complete that diagram. What is the code? T dot left.
Ma'am, T dot
Yes, dot is now it is okay. T dot left of 90. Then what
Ma'am,
is the
bracket 90. 90.
then what is the last code, girls?
T dot forward 80.
T dot forward of 80. Type that. T dot forward 80. T dot forward 80. Now show us the output. Forward of 80. I think you have put space. Okay, show us the output. Excellent. Your task is completed successfully. Okay, is that clear? Okay, all of you please note down this code.
Ma'am.
And I'm going to give you one homework. If you want to draw a rectangle, what all change you have to do? Okay, in your paper, you just write down the code. In the next class, we will discuss. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
That's all for today. Bye. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Thank you.